Good day everyone, this is now week 7 of 4th quarter. So into this week, we're expected to apply Form Wizard application, create a simple database form using Form Wizard, create a new form using the Form Wizard, and use the form in entering records. So as you notice, we are now in the new topic of our activity, or in the new topic or new module of 4th quarter. So in our previous discussion video, we've been working on the different queries and tables. So for this week, starting this week, we're going to work with form naman. So what is really a form? So once we said form, this will be the final phase, or it is considered as the final phase of your system or final phase of the computer program. So in our previous discussion video, we're working on the data using tables. Using tables only. For this one, we're going to use different elements such as text, labels, text box, combo box, and the other tools that you can include as the face of your database. So to start with, let us proceed on the day number 1, which is working on Form Wizard. So Form Wizard is the easiest way to create a form, because they or the wizard will provide you a different template. Then all you have to do is to use that template and modify that template if needed. So now that you have familiarized yourself with tables and queries, you can now build the form of your database. Form are database objects that provide users with interface. So again, this will be the final phase or interface of your database. You can create forms for entering data, displaying data, and displaying even message and dialog box. Dialog box and dialog box, those are the different tools that you can do using the form. As with the tables, MS Access allows you to create form using Form Wizard, and you can also create form using Form Design. But I guess we can no longer do, or we can no longer create a form using the Form Design, because we don't have a lot of time, or we don't have that much of time. So the Form Wizard. When working on the form, always select the Form tab. Okay, Form tab on the database window and everything. So I'm going to demonstrate that later on. We have a single form. So for now, we're going to use single form. There are several kind of forms that you can build using the wizard. One of these are the easiest and the simplest kind of form, the single form, wherein you can type in the record for a single table. Okay, then now build your first, or for better understanding, we're now going to build our database, another database. So we're going to create a new blank database and save it as video rentals dash your last name comma your first name. For why do I include the last name and first name, or your last name and first name? To make it unique. Okay, so open your Microsoft Access, any version can do. Then create a new database, blank database. You can click this small folder to locate where do you want to save your database. Okay, for me, I'm going to save it on my flash drive. And of course, where is it? Module. Okay, I'm going to save it here together with the other database or other operator database. So save it as video rental. Okay, rental dash your last name comma your first name. Then click create if you're done typing the name of your database. Then of course, we are going to create our table. So we have already our table. So just click the design view. Then save our table as, let's see, what is the name of our table? Customer. Okay, save our table as customer. Okay, then click OK. Then for the field names, customer ID, last name, first name, last name, address, city, phone number, and mobile number. Customer ID, first name, last name, um, address, city, phone number, and mobile number. Okay. Phone number and mobile number, and of course our customer ID, we're going to assign the data type of our customer ID as auto number, and the rest will be short text. Okay, the rest will be short text. Then click the datasheet view to finalize our table, then click yes to save our table. Okay, let's see the next step. Now, there are two available options in the database window to create a form in MS Access. Namely, create the form using the design view, that is I am talking about earlier, then using the form wizard. Okay, this will open the form wizard. Then we're going to use the form wizard to create a simple query wizard. Okay, it's not simple query wizard, it is a simple form wizard. Okay, so let's do it. Just click create menu, then click form wizard. This is the form wizard. Okay, so just click form wizard. Then under the form wizard, we can select here which table we want to create a form. But since we only have one table, then we don't have any choice just to choose the customers table. Then let's see, we're going to transfer them all. Okay, so this icon, okay, this icon means add or add selected, so which means any selected value or any selected fields here will add to the selected field. So we have here the available field and the selected field. So if I click the customer ID, then I click this button, then it will move the customer ID to the selected field. While if I'm going to click this one, the two, which has the two, what do you call this one? Less than, then this is an indication that you're going to add all the field names from the available fields to the selected field. The same as to this one. Okay, the same function on the other two. So let's see, if I'm going to click this one, click the field name, then click this one, it will move the customer ID or the selected field here or on the available field to the selected field. While if I'm going to click the 2, it will add or it will move all the field names to the selected fields. So that is how the buttons function. Okay, so if you want to move them one by one, then you can move them one by one. Okay, so that is how it works. The next step, okay, we're going to use columnar as our form, so just click next. Then we're going to use columnar as the template of our form, then click next. Then let's see if we change the title of our form. So no. Okay, the next, we don't, or just accept the setting or just accept the default name of our form, then click finish. Okay, after clicking finish, then this is now our form. You can enter information using the form, but reminder, there are 3 form view. Okay, you can click on the design view if you want to modify the design of our form, if you want to move the different element of our form. Let's say, for example, if you want to move this one here and you want to move this one here, so you may do so using the form design. Then another form layout or form view of our form will be layout view. So if you want to modify the layout of our form, you can resize the text box if you want. So anything about layout. Then another form view will be another view of the form will be form view, where you can use the form already. Okay, it is where you can use the form already, the form view. Example, let's try to enter Wait. Okay. So our task or our next task will be entering the following information into using the form. So you should be entering this following information on your form. So as you notice, below or on the status bar of our form, we have 6 tools. So we have 6 tools for the first record. If you want to move on the first record, the previous record, if you want to see our previous record that we previously or recently enter, then we have here the number of record, so 1 of 1, something like that. Then we have here the next record if you want to go to the next record or view the next record. And if you want to view the last record, then you can just click this button for the last record. And if you want to enter a new record, then you can just click this button, okay, for the form. So let's see and let's try to use them. Okay, so for the first record, that is Eleazar Kitane. So we're going to type in Eleazar Kitane. Last name will be Kitane. Okay, then the address of Eleazar will be 521 BF Homes. 521 BF Homes. BF Homes. Then after 521 BF Homes, the city will be Parañaque. City will be Parañaque. Then after Parañaque, we have here the phone number, which is the 820-3333. 820-3333. Then after 820-3333, then we have the 0909-413-2004. Again, 0909-413-2005. Okay, 005. Then let's say for example we have a lots of record that we enter already, lots of record, then we need to enter a new record. Then just click the new record button under the or that is included on our status bar. So click new record, then it will give you another blank form or blank form that is ready to enter information or enter record. So continue entering all the information starting on the number 2 up to the last. So that's it for the day number 1. And for the day number 2, another database. You're going to create a new database as a library system dash your last name comma your first name, then create a new table for the borrowers, then create the following field names below with its assigned data type. With its assigned data type, then create the borrower's form using the given information. So as you noticed a while ago, the form layout or the form that we use is columnar. This time you're going to use the form layout using the form wizard, the justify. You're going to use justify, and the form title will be borrowers. Okay, then the field names, add all the field names, and your expected output will be just like this one. So this is justified, and of course you are also expected to enter the following information. So these are the different record that you're going to enter to your database using the form wizard or using the face of your database. And reminder, almost forgot, on the day number 1 will serve as your demonstration. So that is our that is the way on how are you going to create your activity on the day number 2. So you are not required to create you're not required to do the day number 1. So day number 1 is not required, but your activity for weeks number 7 will be day number 2, which is this one, the justified layout. Okay, so the justified layout. So that's it for the week number 7. So let's see the result of our form. Just press Ctrl S to save your database, then close everything to see if we truly enter the information a while ago. So just open your table, but we use our form to enter information. And let's see if the information is entered inside of our table. So double click our table, then that's it. So we use the form to enter information in our table. So the form is the interface or the face of your database. So that's it for the week number 7. Good luck to your activity, Luishan, and God bless.